Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download and install the Facebook application to your Windows computer. To do that, if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or 12, go to your search tab and type Microsoft Store or just click on the Microsoft Store app from your taskbar to open. The next step, once the application is fully opened or fully loaded, we'll go to search apps and we'll type Facebook. Hit enter. Then we'll be redirected to the page. Click on Facebook to open. We have been redirected to the page, and here you see Facebook and under it Meta. So this is the right one, and just click install. The operation of downloading and installing should take maximum 1 to 2 minutes, and the button should change to open. I will just pause the video here, and once the download and installation is over, I will click open to start. As you can see, the button became open. Click on it to open, and you should be directed to login. Pin to taskbar, pin to start, create a desktop shortcut if you would like, allow essential and optional cookies, and here you should be able to enter your login details and you should be able to log in. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.